before I do the actual setup, let me give you a block diagram of how it will look like on a paper before I compute them. So to make it more realistic, I'm not going to use a symbol, I'm going to use the actual picture to represent each. Okay, so here is the two LED, LED 1, LED 2. So the two LED, 1, 2, then the two switches, 1, 2. This switch will be controlling this LED, and this switch will be controlling this LED. Then this is the battery, and this is the charging module that will be charging them. So how are they connected? That's what I'll be using. Now I'll be connecting 100 ohms in series with each LED to protect them so that it will last longer. So just as this one is now, the resistor will go to the positive terminal of the LED. The same process here. I assume the LED positive terminal is here. Then each resistor will go to switch. Go to the switch. I will decide the terminal of the switch later using meter. Then the output of the switch will go to the positive side of the battery. Then this one go to the positive side of the battery already. So here is the battery positive. Okay, so the battery positive, we also go to the charging module battery positive, which is labeled battery positive. So that we all meet here. Okay, so the second one is ground, which is written battery negative here. We jump on. So this is the battery negative. They go to the battery negative. Then each LED negative leg will go to that battery negative. So here is LED negative. Assume the connection is here. We also go to that battery negative. Then this one also, here is the negative leg. If we go to that battery, I can join it here because this one already go back to that battery negative. But if I like, I can extend the wire to meet at that point. So here is the simple connection. Okay. Alright, so I'll be doing the actual implementation right now. If there's any confusion, ask me in the comment section, and I will explain.
It's young Fred, the dangerous producer. It's young Fred, the dangerous producer.
Okay, so here is the diagram. This represents the actual battery. This is the negative terminal of the battery. So all the LED negative terminal, including the charging port, the charging unit negative terminal, all go straight to the battery negative. Then the positive terminal, the positive of the charging unit goes straight to that positive terminal of the battery. And then the LED positive terminal goes straight to a switch, and then from the switch straight to the positive terminal of the battery. Then LED 2, which is a higher wattage LED, is connected in series with 15-inch resistor. So it goes after the resistor, it goes straight to the switch. From switch straight to the battery positive. That's how simple it is. So now I'm going to couple them and then show you the final result.
Is young Fred the dangerous producer? It's young Fred, the dangerous producer. Is young Fred the dangerous producer? It's young Fred, the dangerous producer. Is young Fred, the dangerous producer. Fred, the dangerous producer.
I see that, Okay, you can charge and use because this charging board have a regulation, a control how much current will flow in, so all the current are not rushing into the board. So you can charge and use because the current are regulated. So right. There it is. This is the end of this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share with friends, comment. You have a beautiful day.